Good morning, student. In previous class, we completed division and multiplications. Now, multiples and factors. What do you mean by multiples? You don't know that one, no? Multiples of a number is an of the products of the given number and counting numbers. The product of given number and the counting numbers means it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I will take one example 4. Counting numbers means 1, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, the given number is 4, but with that we have to multiply counting numbers, okay. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, like this. Multiples means nothing but, I will tell easily, it is tables. If they given 5 to write multiples means just to write tables. 5 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 20, like this. If they given two multiple of 10, right here 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, 40, 50, like this you have to write. Okay, now understood about multiples. Multiples means exactly if they given in exam to write define multiples means you have to write this one. Multiple of a number is an of the products of the given number. Given number means this one, and counting numbers here 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15. Okay, now next one is common multiples. The numbers which are common in multiples of 2 or more numbers are said to be common multiples. I will take one example now. Multiple of 3 and multiple of 8. In that which number is common? I will take. See here, multiple of 3. I will write here multiple of 3. Means nothing but you have to write tables. So I will write table till 10. 3 1 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. Same thing, multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. So I will write table. I written multiple of 3 and multiple of 5. Now we have to find common multiples. Common multiple means right here common multiple. Here they given multiple of 3, multiple of. In these two, which number is common? That one I have to write here. 8 is common? No. 16? No. 24? 24? Yes. Here 24 is there. Right here 24. Only one number is common is there. That is 24. Remaining is it is not there. If you return continuously, then you will get common multiple. I return only till 10. So common multiple is 24. Like this I have to find. Same thing, multiple of 2, multiple of 4. I will write table. Now common multiple. That which number is common is there? 4. Yes, right here 4. Next 8. Yes, 8. Next 12. Yes, 12. Next 16. Yes, 16. Next 20. Yes, 20. So common multiple in these two numbers. Which number is common is there? 4, 8, 12, 16. 20. These only common multiples. Next one is factors. When two or more numbers are multiplied, then each number is a factor of the product. Factor means nothing but I will write the factor of 4. In which table it is there? Factor in which table it is there? It is there in one table. Go from the small numbers. So it is there in one table. Yes, right here 1. Next it is there in 2 table. Yes, 2 2 is 4. Right here 2. Again 3 table. No, directly 4. These only factors. Same thing. Factors of 12. Okay, it is there in one table. Yes, 1. 2 table. Yes, 2 6 are 12. Next, it is there in 3 table. Yes, 3 4 are 12. Next, 4 in 4 table it is there. Yes, 4 3 are. Next, 5. No. 6 table. X directly 12. 6 2 are 12. Okay, these only factors like this are true. Exact definition: when two or more numbers are multiplied, then each number is a factor of the product. Each number is the product of the product. See here, 2 2 are 4, 4 1 are 4, like this. Okay, common factors. Common factors mean nothing but, again I will take some example. That one is factors of 8. Again factors of 12. Okay, in which table it is there? In one table. Yes. 2 table. Yes. 3 table. No. 4 table. Yes. Next directly 12. Same factors of 12. One table it is there. 2 table it is there. 3 table it is there. Again 4 table it is there. 6 table it is there. Again directly 12. Now in that, which one is number is common? Right here, common factors of 8 and 12. In that, which number is common? You have to write here 1. Yes. Both side 2 is there. Yes, 2. Both side 3 is there. No. Both side 4 is there. Yes, right here 4. Both side 12 is there. Yes, right here 12. These only common factors of 8 and 12 is 1 2 4 12. Same thing I will take one more example. Factors of 3. Again factors of 9. Factors of 3 and factors of 9. Factors of 3, it is there in one table. Yes, 3 table. Next one, factors of 9, it is there in one table. 2 table it is not there. 3 directly 9. Next, common factors of 3 and 9. 3 and 9 is 1 3. In that, both number 1 is 3 is there. Next one is properties of factors and multiples. 1 is a factor of every number. Yes, 1 is every number's factor is 1. Everything counting number is a factor of itself. Every number's counting number or factor itself only. A factor of counting number is often less than or equal to that number. When a number is divided by factor, the remainder is 0. When any number divided with its factor, that time it will become 0 only. Remainder always becomes. The greatest factor of every number is the number itself. Yes, the greatest factor of the greatest means I will take 4. That greatest factor of the every number is itself. Every number is multiple of 1. Yes. If I taken 2, it is their multiple of 1 only. Every counting number is a multiple of itself. Counting numbers also multiple of itself only. Every multiple of counting number is either equal or greater than the number. Multiple either it is equal or more than that number. Next, a number can have infinity multiples. Yes, if they given to write only 5 multiples, you write 5 multiples. If they say to write all multiples, means it is infinity. A multiple of a number is exactly divisible. Yes, a number is exactly divisible itself only. Okay, these only you have to write. I will send the notes, you write in Fairbook. Okay, thank you students.